Hey everyone, what's up? Your girl is back with another Cricut inspired DIY Wednesday. And today's video is sponsored by Tech Wrap. They sent me over some HTV vinyl to share with you guys, and that's what I'm gonna do. And if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome, and I do hope I inspire you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you. Alright, let's get into what I have for today's Cricut inspired DIY. Okay everyone, here's what I received from Tech Wrap. These sheets here, they're print then cut transfer paper. So I'll be sharing how we do the print and cut in a later video. And they sent me one of their standard green cutting mat and some of their 12 by 12 HTV glitter sheets. And these are the puff vinyl in neon colors. I think they look so nice. And lots more other vinyls as you can see here. So overall, this is everything that they sent to me. So let's go into Cricut Design Space and start our design. Okay, this is the design that I chose. So I'm going to send it. I will be printing it on a mat. And I press continue. And then we have to mirror our design because it's an iron-on. You always have to mirror it. We're going to press next, send it to our Cricut to be cut. And these are the two vinyls that we'll be using, which is the Chameleon Shimmer Navy Blue and the Glow Puff Neon Pink. Okay, our Cricut is cutting out our design. And remember, when you're cutting out iron-on, the shiny side goes face down on your mat to be cut. Okay, so now we're all done. We're gonna turn over our mat and pull away our vinyl. Pull away the mat from the vinyl, sorry. Now I am just going to cut away the extra pieces of our vinyl. I do not like to waste vinyl. You can use it again for something else, so I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, there we go. And now we are just going to weed our vinyl. I like weeding Tech Wrap's vinyl. It's so easy to weed. And on a whole, iron-on vinyl is much more easier to weed than permanent vinyl and all those other ones. It's so much easier. Okay, now that we have everything all weeded and ready, we have our heat press here. And we're going to press it at 305 for 10 seconds. So I'm just going to preheat our t-shirt just for a few seconds. Oh yeah, you guys, I forgot to lint roll the t-shirt. Always roll your t-shirt with the lint roller to take off any excess loose lint that's there. You don't want it sticking into your design. And now we're going to place our words where we want them to go. So first we have the boss. And I go 4 fingers down. You could do 3 fingers down. I like doing 4 fingers down. And now everything is all set where I want them to be. And now I'm just going to use the Teflon paper over top. And then we're just going to push it in. And I have it on the automatic. So as soon as I push it in, it closes by itself. There we go. I love the automatic press. Now it's all done. So we're just going to give it a second. Okay, so now I'm going to peel it back. Oh, that looks so nice. It looks so nice. It puff up, you guys. So now I'm going to take off the boss. Oops. Yeah. Now let me show you a little closer. Can you guys see that? How it's puffed up? Can you see that? See, it's all puffed out. The boss is not, and then the babe is. It looks very nice. OMG. I love the texture of the puff vinyl. And the heart also. It stands out. Looks really nice. And here's another look at our t-shirt with the tech wrap puffed vinyl. I love the neon pink. Looks very nice. So let's get into our next image. And here it is here. I'll be using this image, which I downloaded into Cricut Design Space. It says Black Girl Magic. So I'm gonna send it to our machine and I'll be printing it on a mat. And each piece we have to mirror. Remember, it's iron-on, so you have to mirror your layers. Then we're going to go into continue to send it to our machine. And for this one, I'll be using these colors here, which is the Ombre Glitter Rainbow Purple and the Mirror Chrome Lilac. So we send it to our Cricut to be cut. And remember, shiny side down for iron-on when you're cutting your vinyl. And remember again to turn your mat upside down and peel the mat away from the vinyl. This avoids your vinyl from curling. And then we're just going to weed our design. Okay, for this design now, I'll be putting it on a hoodie. Yes, I have this hoodie here. And for this one, we're going to heat for 320 and for 12 seconds. And remember to roll your surface, to get any lint off. And then we're going to preheat our hoodie. Okay, so now we're going to position the first layer. Finger check. This one I'll do 3 down because the hoodie has a little pocket at the front. I can't go too far down because there's words to add at the bottom. Okay, so now we're just gonna push it in and start our heat. And there we go, we take it out. I'm just gonna wait a few minutes. And while we're waiting, I'm just gonna lower the temperature because our chrome vinyl is a lower temperature than the glitter. So I'm just gonna lower it down, let the machine cool down while we're waiting. And now I'm just gonna peel back the transfer tape for our first layer. Doesn't that look nice? I love this ombre glitter. It looks very nice. So now I'm just gonna position our letters onto our second layer. So I'm gonna try and get it directly into the open spaces. So I'm just gonna cut it because it's not lining up good. So I'm just gonna position it properly into the open spaces so it will adhere to the sweatshirt or the hoodie. Now I wish I had heat tape. I need to buy some heat tape. Oh Lord. So now I'm gonna put the rest of the layers, which is the Black Girl Magic in the chrome, the lilac chrome. Again, your girl needs to get some heat tape. So now I'm gonna put the Teflon sheet over everything. Make sure it's still there. in place. Oh boy. Okay, pushing it in to be pressed. Okay, and I'm gonna press it one more time. Okay, I'm just gonna wait a few seconds, let it cool down a bit. Okay, so now I am going to take off the transfer tape. Oh Lord. Oh, doesn't that look nice? Oh yeah, I forgot to take off the earring part first. Now we're gonna take off these parts. Ah, why the letters are not sticking down? I don't think I got it exactly in the spot. Okay, I'm gonna press that one in a minute again. But here is the Black Girl Magic. That came off so nice. So I'm just gonna put the Teflon sheet back over and press this one more time to hopefully that letter will stick. Okay, here we go. It's all done. It looks so nice. You have to make sure that when you're layering with glitter, it goes exactly in the open space that you have, because you cannot put vinyl on top of glitter vinyl. So it turned out good. So remember, I used the glitter ombre in purple, and I also used the chrome lilac from Tech Wrap. And I love how it looks. It looks lovely. Alright everyone, as you can see, that was so easy and fun to do. And then here are the end results once again. The hoodie that I have on, it's very nice. Let me show you a closer look. Isn't that nice? I like how it turned out. Very nice. I like it. And once again, here's this one. Girl Boss. Sorry, Boss Baby. I love this. I love the puff vinyl. Hope you can see it good on the camera. But it does puff out. It's very nice. I like both of them. I think they look very, very nice. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's Cricut Inspired Wednesday. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.